Hi guys, it's Thursday and it's another day, another vlog. So for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales, and aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and monitoring also guys our monthly sales, and that would be my agenda for today guys. So anyway, please bear with my double chin kasi sobrang taba ko na talaga guys, and I can't control myself to eat. So obviously, sobrang laki talaga ng tinaba ko, and then dagdag pa talaga ng partner ko na talagang hindi niya ako pinapabayaan when it comes to food. So, naniniwala na talaga ako guys sa kasabihan na kapag nasa tamang tao ka is tataba ka. So, sobrang true to life naman. So, anyway guys, share ko lang. So, dyan lang muna kayo at mag-work lang din muna ako. So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today. So, this will be another work vlog. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!